Hey guys, Derek here. So we are in the middle of a render and I wanted to update y'all. I thought y'all might find this interesting. Anybody out there who's interested in video editing at all. It is a 68-hour render. That's where it's at now, 68 hours and 3 minutes and 16 seconds. This render started at 70 something. It actually went up to 70 something. Now it's down to 68. The reason it's taking so long, if any of y'all have experienced this, is because we applied a denoiser called Neat Video. And Neat Video really increases your rendering time. We have a fast gaming machine here. This is a plenty of memory, everything like that. It's an editing machine, and it's still taking that long. So you can see here, 68 hours, 3 minutes, 16 seconds. It's not even updating in real time. Like every few minutes, it'll drop another 4 or 5 minutes off the thing. That's what's going on here. So this video, I've had more problems with this video than any other video I've ever done. The video is about 3 hours long, and there's just been some really spooky, software acting weird, codec problems. It's one thing after another. I don't know what's going on. Even this video, I'm gonna have to upload it just raw the way it is because I don't have any editing software for the next couple of days. So it's tied up for about 2 days. Any projects that we have pending are gonna have to wait until this is done. And we gotta pray that when it's done, it renders out fine. And I don't know, it's like the devil doesn't want this project out or something. I mean, he's sabotaging it at every turn, but we're not going to let him win. We are going to beat this thing, and we're going to get this project out. But that's it. I'll update y'all later and see if it's progressed, how many hours there are left. We're kind of tracking this one it's unprecedented. 68 hours. That is crazy. But I'm not sleeping anytime soon. I'm monitoring to make sure that everything renders out okay and it doesn't hang up, and we'll see. So that's it, guys. Wish us luck.